Think scallops are only for fancy restaurants? These pan-fried scallops cook in under 10 minutes, use simple ingredients, and turn any weeknight into a date night. I'm Lisa from Garlic and Zest. If you want easy seafood recipes that feel special without being fussy, hit follow and let's get cooking. Ask for dry sea scallops from your fishmonger. That's the secret to a real sear. A dry sea scallop has never been soaked in phosphates, and consequently it can get golden brown. If your scallops are soaked, they'll never brown. That said, I always like to blot them with a paper towel to remove any excess moisture. Next comes some seasoned flour, and we're just adding salt and pepper to some all-purpose flour. Just a light coating helps the scallops develop a golden crust and carries through to the wine sauce. You'll only want to coat the top and bottom of each scallop in the flour, not the sides. The reason is you're only searing those flat surfaces, which keeps the scallops tender instead of getting overcooked. If flour stays on the sides without being seared, it'll turn gummy, and searing the sides to fix that would overcook the scallops. So this way, you're going to get a great crust and a perfectly cooked center. To start cooking the scallops, we heat a pan over a medium-high heat and then add some oil and a pat of butter. This is about a tablespoon. And you just want to get it so the butter is foamy and bubbly. And now we can start to add the scallops. Place them in the hot pan and let them cook undisturbed for about 2 minutes. Don't move them. Leaving them alone is what gives you that deep golden crust before flipping. Use a pair of tongs to turn the scallops. They'll give you better control without tearing that crust. If one sticks, don't force it. Just give the tongs a little jiggle and it'll release on its own. Hey, if you're liking this, hit like and follow to catch my next seafood recipes. Searing scallops in a pan like this takes about 2 minutes per side. Once they're done, transfer them to a serving platter, and then we deglaze with some white wine. Once the liquid comes to a boil, use a whisk or a spoon to scrape up all those brown bits. That's pure flavor. Those little bits melt into the sauce as it reduces and gives you a rich restaurant-style finish with almost no extra work. Once the sauce has reduced by about half, we're going to finish it with a little bit of butter. This is about a tablespoon of unsalted butter, and just whisk it in. It will emulsify nicely and give it a really glossy finish. I add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a little bit of acidity. Don't worry if a few seeds pop out while you're squeezing. You can fish them out later. I like to finish this sauce with a little bit of fresh parsley, and I used Italian parsley, but you could use the curly style too. Just whisk it in, and there you go. A perfect wine sauce for your seared scallops. This recipe is easy enough for a weeknight, but feels totally decadent. Tender, golden, and finished with a silky white wine butter sauce that's perfect for date nights at home. Grab a printable copy of the recipe in the description below. I'm Lisa from Garlic and Zest, where I share simple, modern recipes you can actually make at home. If you enjoyed this, tap the bell and hit follow so you don't miss my latest, easy, updated recipes. I hope you enjoy.